इसलिए उनके लिए भी सब लोग ताली बजाएं। और विशेष करके
that Radhakant, it has come from Australia, has been preaching in, and also Harish Pai Pandya, Harikant Prabhu,
उनके परिवार
and his family,
जो है, और विशेष करके हमारे जगीराज जी,
our Yogi Lal
जगीराज से
Prabhu,
मैंने रख दिया
Yogi Lal,
जगीराज क्या कहते
Jay,
हैं, जगीराज जी नहीं कहते।
and especially Yogi Lal Prabhu,
विशेष करके हमारे प्रभु जी
Balaram Prabhu,
बलराम प्रभु जी,
and Prabhuji, Balaram Prabhuji,
और हमारे विश्वानंदिनी देवीदास जी,
Vrishabhanu Nandini, Brajendra Nand,
Chandni,
Chandni, yeah, Chandni translation, Chandni Pandya,
चांदनी पटियाल
Pandya,
पांड्या, आज उनका नाम क्या दिया? चंदनवती देवी ने नाम दिया, उसको याद रखना चाहिए
Chandanvat.
ना।
You should remember your spiritual name.
हरिकांत जी के बेटी,
Harikant
बहुत
Bedi.
सुंदर सरस कथा भी सुनाया, और बहुत अच्छी
Translation.
गुरुदेव की हिंदी बुक से,
And she has also
गुजराती
translated Hindi
translation
books,
भी
Gurudev's
कर
Hindi
रही है।
books.
बहुत अच्छा लगा, उनके लिए भी सब
So,
लोग
for her, please clap for her.
सभी लोगों ने, आप लोगों ने जो योगदान दिया,
Whatever, all of you who spent and help here, and I pray that you'll always have that enthusiasm.
मंदिर बने,
And one day, this mandir, Dr. Mamta, Dr. Mamta,
नाम क्या दे मैंने,
Manmohini, and the Manmohini, Manmohini,
उनके परिवार जो
and his family, yes.
सभी लोग उत्साहित होकर के करें, क्योंकि
So everyone, all of you here, serve Krishna all together with enthusiasm, and we serve Krishna. Krishna would be very pleased when we all together serve Krishna with enthusiasm. Our Bhakti Vinod Thakur is saying in the bhajan, how can you serve Radha and Krishna? You should get together and serve Radha Krishna. So you don't have to look at your culture, where you are from, which party you are from, and leave all. What should you do? You should have one mood and one vow. You don't have to look at which ashram you are in, for which caste system you have come from. And with this mood, you should serve Radha and Krishna together, and then you will all move forward together. All we have together in one, we should all be cooperate with each other, and serve Radha and Krishna. Krishna is Swayam Bhagwan. Even the demigods do pranam. Who do they serve? They serve Prabhu. All the demigods also they serve Bhagwan, Krishna. And sometimes Ram and Krishna is one. It's one tattva. It comes in a different. Bhagwan comes in a different roop. Like Vaikunt, the roop of Vaikunt is Narayan, and Dwarpa, in the roop of Bhagwan in Dwarka is Dwarkarish, and Mathura is Mathura, and Vasudeva, Mathura. Ram and Krishna are one, but the Ramud is more serious. So Ramchandraji's mood is very serious and chanchal, very restless. That's Krishna. Krishna is more restless. Krishna is doing all this leela, and Krishna, and it's Krishna's desire that Radha Krishna Mandir comes here. Tulsidas ji is saying in Ramachandri, Ram Charitra, that so all of you together and with your time and do your seva. In Bhagavad, Bhagwan is saying, in Krishna is saying, what is the purpose of human being?
सफल है,
whose
सक्सेसफुल है,
whose human beings life is successful with the body, with the speech, with the mind, and whichever, which however they serve Radha and Krishna, and then Krishna is very pleased. You all know that even wealth, whatever, how much wealth you earn, will not go with you. Will even you came with your fist, and when you leave this body, you will go with your bare hands, like your open hands. Now, no. So he's saying, somebody come and take Krishna's name, Ram's name. But the body, our body should be used for the purpose of the seva of Bhagwan. Our mind, our speech should be used for the service of Krishna. So I'm praying that you all serve Bhagwan. Why do we worship Hanumanji? Why? Because Hanumanji is serving Ram. Why do we believe in Arjun? Why? Because Arjun is a very dear devotee of Krishna. Nanda Maharaj, Jashoda, Subhalsika, Radha and Gopis. Why? What do? They are all serving Krishna. Some are serving in Vatsalya, parental mood or friendship mood. Like Subal and Saka is serving Krishna in a friendship mood. And Nanda Jashoda, how are they serving Krishna? In the Vatsalya, parental mood. And the Radha and Krishna, how are they serving Krishna? In the Madhurya Bhav. That's why this sanskar should be in our heart. What is one purpose of this, to build this Radha Krishna Mat, is that we get this sanskar, and with our bhajan, we do our bhajan, and then we leave this body. So we should all be gathered together. This morning I did Bhumi Pujan here, and I did, and Narsingha Mantra 818, and we offered Bil Patra 108 times to offer to Thakurji in the Yagna. And I praying to Narsingha Bhagwan, hey Narsingha Bhagwan, without your kripa, we cannot do anything. So why? Narsingha Bhagwan, what does he do? He destroys all the obstacles. First of all, that's why we have to put Narsingha Bhagwan ki jai. So first, all the Gaudiya Math, if you see, near the door, if you see all the Gaudiya Math, you see Narsingha Bhagwan in the entrance. Also Narsingha, with the mercy of Narsingha Mantra, all the obstacles are destroyed. So he's saying to Prahlad, Narsingha Mantra says, Prahlad, he's saying, Prahlad, whoever remembers Narsingha and Prahlad, that all the obstacles are destroyed, and then you should also remember Narsingha Bhagwan. We did the Bhumi Puja. So Baladev Prabhu's, and the Baladev Prabhu is also another roop of Baladev is Seshanag. Also Kurma, we put also Seshnag and the Kurma Dev, and we did the worship of them, and we've installed them here under the ground. That I'm praying Nityanand Prabhu Advait Acharya mein prarthana karta hu. I'm praying that very beautiful mandir is built here. Then you will understand what is the word, what is the meaning of Gaudiya. What Gaudiya means, this is Radharani. This is then you, yes. So we will understand now. Chandanvati is very translation. And she is translated, and she is translated. Dr. Mamta. Dr. Mamta. Manmohini. Now today your name is Dr. Manmohini. Not Dr. Mamta. Mamta, yes, that's a very nice name also. You have to serve with the Mamta. But he also joined the temple, and Actually everyone is doing seva, but if you don't serve with attachment, like with mamta, like attachment, then okay, somebody is sweeping the floor, but you have to serve with dedication, with serve completely and surrender with Guru and Krishna. Then you can perform. Then you can serve Radha and Krishna properly. So many people come and people go. No, we have to serve with unconditionally seva. There is no condition. There should be no condition seva. With condition seva, that is not seva. That becomes a duty. For example, you are working for the government department. What is your duty? Then it's your duty, right? You start at 8 o'clock and then you finish at 5 o'clock. That's your duty. But at the age of 60, we'll get a pension from the government. That is called duty. But a seva is what? Seva is selfless, with dedication. And with that seva, we will get bhakti. That's called unconditional service. This unconditional service, then you get this mamta, then you get samandha, you get relationship with Bhagwan, then you can attain Bhagwan. So like for example Hanumanji, how is he serving Radha? Did Ram give Hanumanji money? No. I'll give you katha. One day Bhagwan, when Ramchandra was in Ayodhya, he was given position. So Ramchandra was giving everyone a position. Then Bhagwan Ram said, Bhimsham, he said, he's of Lanka, he's a leader of the Lanka. Then Sugriv. So like that, he was giving position to everyone. So he gave them a post to everyone. Then Hanumanji came. And Hanumanji got hold of Ram's lotus feet and said, I want two posts. So he said, Hanumanji said, I want two positions. So everybody started to laugh. Look, this monkey, the monkeys are very greedy. They laughing. We laugh at monkeys. So he said, oh, this monkey is very greedy. Everybody got one position, but Hanumanji wants two posts. Then Ramchandra said, Hanumanji, listen. Ramchandra said, no, first listen to Hanumanji's language. What is the meaning of these two posts? Ramchandra said, Hanumanji, hey, Ramchandra said to Hanumanji, I want two pad. What I want? Pad means charan, feet. We have two feet, right? So he said, Hanumanji saying that, Bas, I want two pods that I want your lotus feet seva. I want to serve you eternally at the lotus feet, your two lotus feet. So that is actual seva. Everybody, sometimes people come for pratishtha or, pratishtha, or they want some pratishtha, then it's not seva. So when you want to do Bhagwan seva, then you don't want pratishtha in man. Then only it is seva. That is called unconditional service. That's why we have to do that with mamta, means attachment. Mamta is what? How should we do the seva? Atankit seva means unflinching faith. With unflinching faith, we have to serve. Then that will yes, then we will be. If you are doing service for the pratishtha and man, and if you don't get name and fame, then that is not seva. The seva should be that this is Prabhu. We are doing Prabhu's seva. Sevak, who is Sevak? Who writes the Sevak? Like Hanumanji is a Sevak, right? He is a Hanumanji. What is it teaching? Kinkar. Kinkar means the Sanskrit, the meaning of the word Kinkar. Kinkar. That means how will I serve my Prabhuji. He would not even waste 1 minute. Continuously he would serve. So there is another name of Hanumanji is Kinkar. Kinkar. So he is seva. He has a mood of seva. So we have to serve Bhagwan. We have to serve with this mood, and we attach with the Bhagwan, and then we will attain Bhagwan. Then we will get Bhagwan's prem. Then also Radhaji is saying that I will do Prabhuji seva. I always serve Krishna. Hanumanji said, Hanumanji said, Hanumanji said, Srinathji means Krishna. Otherwise, also Narayan. And Srinath Janaki Nath means Ram. And who is the Nath of Janaki is Ram. Ram and Krishna, there is no difference between Ram and Krishna or Narayan. But still, what is Ramchandra? Ramchandra is my life and my soul. That is Nistha. So Hanumanji is just saying Hanumanji. So like that, Radhaji's Nistha is who? Radhaji's Nistha is with Krishna. So the Vrajvasis are saying, Avan Bihari Lal Ki Jai. Radhaji is saying, even if my friends, everyone leave me alone, leave me, they leave me. Even if my Gurudev, even if my friends leave, if my Gurudev leaves, I will never ever leave Radha Krishna. So the Radhaji's Nistha is in who? In Krishna. So in the under the guidance of Radharani, we serve Bhagwan, and same is Set Tattva. There is no difference between Ram and Krishna. Is same, but it's Leela. One is in Leela and Prem is difference. According to the Shastra, Ram and Krishna, there is no, or Vishnu, there is no difference. But if you look at it, the Ras Tattva, then there is difference between Ram and Krishna. You should try and understand properly. In Bhagwan's with this 7 qualities in 6, and Ram is 62 and a half. 2 and a half. So 62 and a half qualities are in Ram, 64. So in Bhagwan Krishna has 64 qualities. Not many people know this. There is a Jaiva Dharma Granth, there is a Pranam, there is evidence. So Krishna is 64 qualities. So these 64, these 4 qualities are unique and unparalleled. That is Rupa Madhuryam, Prema Madhuryam, Leela Madhuryam, and Venu Madhuryam. So these 4 qualities are only in Krishna. So Krishna. So in the Krishna in Bhagavatam, it's written. It is all the avatars have come, all the avatars, Matsya, Kurma, even after all the avatars, in the Bhagavatam he said, and Krishna is saying, Bhagwan Swayam. So he's saying, Krishna is saying, I am the Supreme Personality of Godhead. You should know that much. You understand that? Gaura Hari Ki Jai. Jai Shri Radhe. So in Gaudiya is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, and we serve Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna. Who is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu? Chaitanya Prabhu is combined form of Radha and Krishna. So that Radha Krishna we will
इसलिए चैतन्य
worship
महाप्रभु
and
और
Chaitanya
राधा
Mahaprabhu
कृष्ण की
and Radha Krishna. We
वृंदावन
will Bihari Lal ki jai.
मैं अधिक समय लेना नहीं
I
चाहता हूँ।
will not take
अभी
much
आरती
time.
करता हूँ
We will
और
do
फिर
Aarti
सभियों की
and then you have
महाप्रसाद
Mahaprasad. Avan
वृंदावन
Bihari Lal ki jai.
जय
Jai Shri Radha. वो देना है.
अब